you're new. Hi, my name is Alexis Jayda and welcome. So Valentine's is like right around the corner. It's gonna be here before we know it. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make chocolate covered strawberries, but in such a beautiful way that you guys are gonna be like, oh my god, that is so nice, and you guys did it at home with love. So if you guys wanna know how I did it, stay tuned. All right, so I took a quick trip to Walmart, picked out the chocolates that I wanted to use, all that good stuff. Then I went over to the Valentine's section and I just picked out some cute packaging. There was a lot, so pick ones that you want to use. Then the sprinkles were there, went a little bit crazy with all this cool stuff, and then put everything in my cart. And I picked up this because I wanted to look really cute in the background. Oh, and these are 97 cents over by the kitchen stuff. Make sure you guys go there. Don't go where the Valentine's stuff is because it was like $3 for those. And I picked up these because I'm going to do another do-it-yourself, so stay tuned for that. Now, we're home. So I picked up some strawberries, a lot of strawberries, and I rinsed them off, left them out here to dry, and then put them in this really cute, clear container. Now I'm just showing you guys all the cool little things I got, sprinkles, Valentine sprinkles, all the cool stuff because I really wanted to have these chocolate covered strawberries looking very extra. And then here are the little boxes that I got, more strawberries. I even got Rice Krispies because I wanted to decorate those, make them all cute and stuff for the kids. So let's begin. First, we're going to go in with our chocolate melter, and I'm going to go in with the white chocolate first. So I'm just going to shake it in there, and then we're going to wait for them to melt. All right, so now we're going to go in with wax paper. I'm going to go in, dunk it, make sure it's coated on all sides. Then we're going to place it down. Okay, and I like just cleaning the bottom. So what I'll do, I'll dip, and then I'll clean the bottom right there, and then I'll place it down. Because we don't want the bottom to like clumpy and thick, or like the chocolate will settle. All right, so let me put this back in here, and let's go in with some pink sprinkles. All right, so I'm going to go in with this. We are going to go in with a strawberry, dip it, clean it like this, remember. We're going to go in with our sprinkles. Oh, wait, there's a lot. And we're just going to just bedazzle this beautiful one. It's a glitter. All right, and then there is that one. So freaking pretty. We're going to place it there. I guess I didn't have to do the bottom, but you just never know. And you see how it's just there? I'm just going to just keep pouring it back in there once it's done. So it does have like some glitter in there, which makes it look really pretty. And with this one, and the holes are so big, so that's why it looks like I'm wasting a lot. That one right there, and they look so pretty. It really changes how it looks. Okay, and then it's just so easy. Look, just pour it right back. All right. This one's gonna be cool. Okay, and then I did get a red one, so let's go in with the red. Oh, the red is even prettier. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna shove one of these thingies in there. So this is going to be easier. Hold it like this and being able to twirl it, all that good stuff. Boom. So I got it really well. So there you go. Use something like that and then pull it right off. All right, I don't know why we haven't been doing that, you guys. Okay, so we're just going to do the same thing. Put it in there, whirl it in here, make sure it's like well coated. So we're gonna go in with our Ziploc bags. Okay, so I forgot to mention that I'm putting the white chocolate inside the Ziploc bag. We put the rest of this in the Ziploc bag. Okay, I'm just gonna practice on this one. Let's see if I even did it right because I got the wrong Ziploc bags. All right, so I got the wrong Ziploc bags, but I did cut the tip, and that's why it was kind of not applying correctly. I did get the hang of it towards the end though, so it worked out. but get the right Ziploc bags, like where it doesn't have like any like weird corners or anything. The corners that I got were weird. You just have to make sure that it's just like a straight line so that when you cut the tip, it gives you a nice application, you know, to do this certain thing right here. But I got the hang of it towards the end, and it kind of worked out with the tool holes and stuff. I got to do the strawberries just as fast. So yeah, it worked out at the end, and they still look cute. It doesn't have to be perfect when you do this method and stuff like that, but for those who want it to look very nice and professional, make sure that you get the right Ziploc bags. So the chocolate is currently melting. Oh cool, yes. This is gonna be more convenient. My babies are helping me because the bag on this one, I grabbed the wrong ones, so that's why. But that's okay. My kids found this piping bag that we got in our gingerbread houses, so it worked out. So I melted some red chocolate, poured it in, and it freaking worked even better, you guys. So this worked out perfect. Gonna cut the tip. Yeah? Cool. All right, here we go.
That's way better. You did really good.
It just looks like a lot going on right there, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay, I gotta do this one again, maybe. I do want to dip some of the strawberries in some of the red that we have. Are gonna be like only like 2 because I poured most of it. Oops. So now we're gonna melt some chocolate. Because you made them with love. Look at. Oh, look how nice this is. These ones are already drying down, which is good. So I did want to add some. Okay, so they're still wet, and I should have done this over the bowl, but I'm going to see if I can just place some here and there.
Oh, that looks so pretty. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna be using the hearts.
What do you do too, Mom?
Some fill up, and I'm just gonna stamp it where it's needed. So here's how they're looking so far, and oh my god, you guys, they look so freaking nice. Like, look at them, they look so freaking pretty, and I just love how matte the chocolate looks. Like, and then the white chocolate drizzles on top, and the red chocolate. It just, the details are seriously just boom, and they look so pretty. So I got these at the dollar store, and they're only $1 for 100. So you see how easy they just came to pick them up and stuff. Right off this, just pick them up. Lay them down. It looks so much nicer like this than just to have them just like naked, you know. And we're gonna put them in here. So 6 fit in here. Like, look how nice that looks. That looks so nice. So cute to gift.
Yeah.
You can fit 6 in here, which is freaking awesome. So get you a little business going on. You can get different colors and stuff. And it just looks so much nicer, like individually having their own package, you know, it just looks nicer, in my opinion.
It would be like a nice gift to give someone.
Cool, another box done. I wonder if we can fit one. I thought these were for like, you know, what I just did, but we'll see. Maybe I can put like 2, I don't know. Oh yeah, mira, it works. Hey, maybe you're on a diet and you only want 2. That is cute.
Yeah.
That's super cute, huh?
It's so beautiful.
That's cute. Happy Valentine's Day, boom, done. And 1, slide in 2, boom. Qué bonito.
See, that's perfect for us to do.
Yeah, see, like the 6, you give it to like, you know, an adult. 2, para los niños. And how much did this one come in? This was a pack of 12. The other one was a pack of 2. And I just love that you can see them. I think that's the cutest part, is that you can see it. Now, it's time. Krispies. I'm gonna stab it through. Okay. Okay, so clean the bottom. Remember what I mentioned. Still covered. This is shimmery gold.
Whoa, that's cool. That's kind of yellow. Yeah. But
It looks yellow, but then it dries gold.
Oh yeah, you can see too.
I liked how the polka dotted ones were.
Yeah. I can see it.
I thought I was just gonna get the white. I should have waited until the chocolate was wet. I mean dry first, then went over with the white, and then we did it, and then it would have popped.
It still looks cool. Yeah.
Thanks, thanks, thanks. Oh, well then you have to wait. I'm gonna put these in here. These are literally my favorites. Those are so pretty. Those look so nice. So the reason why this made so much mess is because I heated up the chocolate in the microwave. So I wouldn't recommend doing that, or like wait so that it's not as runny and stuff, but it still got the job done. Just a little sloppy.
Beetle, boo boo.
So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already to keep updated my videos. If you guys want to see more videos like this, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so that I know and I can put these videos out for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Besos a todos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!